Are you interested in improving your art and boosting your tattoo career? Guy Aitchison's Reinventing the Tattoo is an amazing resource of tattooing and design techniques created and refined over several decades, and now there are 3 ways that you can learn. You can subscribe for a year with the Canon or monthly with either Evolution or the exercises. Let's take a look at what each of these options will get you. The Canon allows you instant access to all the curriculum content, which includes 7 detailed chapters that are updated regularly, over 100 replays of the Monday night exercises, and 8 chapters from guest artists. This option is great if you want to enroll at any time and are not sure about joining the live exercises. The Monday night exercises gives you the ability to join myself, fellow tattoo artists, and occasional guests live every week in drawing a tattoo design for a hypothetical tattoo client. You can watch and interact on the chat room, or you can hop on the Zoom call, and either way, you can get real-time feedback on your drawing. You have access to the replay for the week afterwards as well, and you're invited for special critiques every 4 months. This option is good if you are looking to improve your art and connect with other tattoo artists that are looking to do the same, but you only have a small amount of time per week to set aside. Evolution releases access to the full curriculum over 48 weeks and includes the live Monday night exercises as well as all the replays. There are weekly lesson plans that include tattoo challenges, quizzes, extra critiques, and at the end of the year you can take the final exam to receive a certificate of completion. This option is perfect if you are looking to learn in a hands-on, guided way alongside like-minded peers. As you can see, all of these are excellent ways to learn how to level up your tattooing, so now you can decide on how you'd prefer to join us. If you have any questions, you can email me at sandy@reinventingthetattoo.com, or if you're ready to subscribe, you can head straight to reinventingthetattoo.com.